To handle audio information, this board has an audio codec, is the TLV 320 AEC 3204, and an audio codec is a chip that handles both the analog to digital and the digital to analog conversion. So this audio codec here, there is a stereo audio DAC with 100 dB signal to noise ratio. It has a stereo audio ADC with 93 dB signal to noise ratio. It has programmable inputs and outputs and has an integrated PLL, phase locked loop, and we're going to talk about PLL in the future. Also, it's important to take a look at the buses. So there is a squared C bus to control the audio codec and a I2S bus to handle the audio signals. So the I2C is the inter-integrated circuit and the I2S is the inter-integrated circuit sound. So the I2C allows multiple slave digital integrated circuits to communicate with one or more master chips. And the inter-integrated circuit sound is a serial bus designed for audio data, and it has the clock and the data separated. We will talk more about the DSP, the audio codec, the I2C, the I2S when we start taking a look into some programming examples in the next tutorials.